Whoa, 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 whoa. What's happening? That's a piston. Yeah, it's dead.
Check your fire. Check the fire on that side. Fire on my 9.
Come here, I'm just packing up.
Already hit, mate.
You're going to carry it in the...
Yep.
We've got blokes in the tree line there.
Yeah, keep an eye out left.
Affirmative.
Hey Dennis, come here, I'm just packing my shit up.
Will. Babe.
You going through there?
It's fine.
Okay.
I won't go first because I want to light on the top row.
Go on then. Anyone else?
I'll on your back.
Where's 40? 40!
Semi-automatic, I'll light someone up with.
Gotcha! Go. I'll give you covering fire. Go prone, snuggle through it. Pope, covering fire!
Hey Pope, light him up.
Happy trail time, over. Where's Dennis?
Where is Danny?
Where's Dennis?
Dennis, get down here.
Alright, Dennis, join us. Let's go, happy trails.
Go. Go, go, go. If any of you fuckers start singing Welcome to the Jungle, you're dead.
What?
If any of you fuckers start singing Welcome to the Jungle, you're dead.
What is on the par? Others or other?
Present for you. What is it? Grip pod in your dump pouch.
I've got the first kill of my new gun there. There's a dude there.
Where is he?
There. I don't know if he's enemy or what, but he's fucking happy. Wait!
Hey! Hit the deck! Right, this is wide open. If there's anyone out there, we're fucked.
Hands in the air, what's your eyes? Right in the gap there between the hands.
Oh, it's fucking typical that, isn't it?
Which, do you know where the dead's already? Just everybody.
Biggest one is this way.
Stand there, right, yeah.
The moment we roll out there, we're getting fucked up.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna dig in for a sec. I've got to ditch this bag.
Contact behind, I'll get that cable behind me.
Straight, oh, might be a tree, I think, but there's movement straight through there.
Steve, run!
Okay, I'm going tough.
Careful.
Go on, dude. Come past me.
I'm not a goddamn hero.
So Dennis is around here. I don't see him.
Others, move up!
Go.
Negative target!
On that first ring. Dennis, covering fire on the tall fir tree! 10 metres, 12 o'clock! Cease fire!
They're right on the other side of those people. Not a chance to get through there.
Not in my state.
Pretty fast to the right.
Not really.
Target the press!
Right, come up.
I see contact, left. Follow my tracers!
Ow! Handy if he had tracers, wouldn't it? Pete, push.
Others, we're on your right!
On the wood line!
Directly in front!
Who's coming left?
Right on your back, Pete.
I believe. They're just coming out of their bushes. Dennis, you're the part of us.
Move up! Regroup! Team covering fire! 2 o'clock, 10 metres!
Watch the VIP!
Hey, others! Come out!
Others behind you.
What can you see, Chod?
Goddamn trees! We've got a friendly just in front, so watch the fire.
Should have brought my fucking machete.
Fuck machetes, we need napalm this shit.
It's one of the rents.
Hey, hold on!
Hey! Others!
I like your pistol.
Careful.
I didn't hit him at all.
Although how I missed that dude sitting down, I will never know.
down that way.
I've got a delta and
Right, use concrete. Whoa, from behind, from behind! Oh, and put cover far to our front.
Hit, others! Fuck it, I'm going in.
Wait, I'll probably die in a sec.
Stay in, stay in.
I said I will. Probably die in a sec. The enemy. So I get him. I can have him from here. Keep moving up.
Yep.
On the right as well. Way! Shoot a guy through the bushes, just like through there, dude. On the right? Yeah, on the right hand side, you can see it through the corner. Oh, yeah. Hit! Silvers!
Others!
Cool, guys.
Cool. I'll come in your way. Is there no way through there?
Yeah, there's a way through. I just got the intel. I need to give it to him.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, there's an intel there. I've got intel. I'm going to go around to the left again. Someone who's not going to die want to take this intel? I'll just keep it.
Cool.
Alright, we're going to push around to the left.
Right. Will.
Yeah.
You're holding intel, don't get close to the line.
Will, fall back.
Why?
Intel, or should pass it back?
I don't lose it if I die, right?
Yeah, you do.
Right, I'm going to go for that other intel.
Cool. Want to go after him? Take this faster.
Friendly's on your left.
Let's play this.
Bravo behind! Bravo behind!
Yeah. That way. Bravo in the camp, Bravo in the camp.
We got all the intel.
We got it.
Bug out!
Bug out back the way we came, lads.
Bug out! Go, go! Let's go!
Moving! All in there. Right. Let's get the air pass. Wow. Oh, hi. Don't take fun this in the bush in South of England.
Feel
feel free.
You obviously haven't been looking.
The trouble is, all it takes is that one shot on so it fucking hurts. I've already smacked them in the face.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the noise. Hit delta. Music, innit?
Yeah, they touch smoke in the face.
Get in the flanks on this finish. Just push them up, mate. Let's move! Move up! Place bayonets! Others! Move in now!
Listen to the man! Stop moving, boys! Come on!
Right. Go that way. Go that way.
Come on! Stop moving, mate! Stop moving over there, yeah?
Move up! Move up! I can't move for shit in here! Hit! Others hit!
I need you, Mike, for this.
Get the fuck in there! Let's go! Let's go! Fucking go, then! Pull in, lads! Push off!
Fucking push!
Way up, lads! The pyro's gonna go off in 2 minutes. Pyro's in 2 minutes! Hit! Hit! Come on!
Fucking prick.
I think they're coming down behind us.
Cross it!
All run! Push up! Mate, do you want to stand on my knees and get high? That's cool. Right down there. Oh no, it's still hanging, mate. You've got 10 minutes to get it down.
We're getting far from the left. I'm not going to fall that. Guys!
Go, now the bomb's gone, go! Keep pushing! You're so close!
Oh shit, back through!
Hit! Others!
Hit! Hit others!
What we got?
That weapon here, they're not minutes, literally minutes.
Come on,